Hey there, Harrison here. Welcome to a slightly different video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to draw a person. It's not a speed draw video. I'm just gonna show you. And I'm drawing on real paper instead of on the computer or the iPad. Yeah, I'm not gonna be using the normal manga style that I normally use. I'm gonna be showing you the drawing style I used before that, which is a couple of years ago, back in 2009 that I changed. But yeah, so the first thing we're gonna use here is the head. We draw a circle and then we use 2 eyes. This is not exactly how I did it. Sometimes it used dots, sometimes I did this. Yeah, that looks good. With a little mouth. And then the hair, we do it like this. And now down to the shoulders. We have one there and there. And then we do this. It's gonna have a little t-shirt here. And it's going down here and stopping. And we have one arm. So this is not exactly how I drew it back then, but it's kind of close to. And then this and this little thing. Yeah. So then we do this and the shoes. Yep. And then it's coloring time. So I'm gonna be using the typical colors I've used for drawing people. So I'm gonna give him a red shirt. And blue pants is jeans. And then the skin, I don't really have the right color for that, so I'm gonna just draw in a slightly different way. I don't know if you can see it. That it does anything. See? And I actually need it again, because the typical hair color I give the people is brown. Or at least I did back then. Actually, it's still. And the typical shoe color is also brown. Yep. Kind of a slightly different brown than this one, but it's okay. So, what do you think? Is my hand annoying? I don't hope so. But yeah, hope you can see it. I'm happy with it. Yeah. Let's see. We're drawing a dog. why not? So normally I start off drawing animals like dogs with a little nose, and it's not that long. Then I go down here and up here and out and down. This is not the drawing style I did back then. This is what I do now. Right there. And then I'm gonna draw an ear. And this one is going down, down. And a paw. And another paw. That doesn't really look that good, I think. But yeah. And a tail. Whoop! There we go. Wait. There we go. Let's draw it. No, I just drew it. Let's color it. That's what I wanted to say. Okay. I keep taking this one away and then taking it up again. Weird. But yeah. Coloring the ear and the tail. Whoop. And this one and this. There we go. I've left this little part here white because some animals have a little different color on the stomach and sometimes all the way up to the mouth. Not this one, but yeah, this orange, I think. I should have something to to make this shadow so I don't need to use my hand. But yeah. And to finish it all up is the nose. Just a dark color. Yeah. So, hope you enjoyed. If you actually try and draw these, I would love to see pictures of how you do. So, yeah, as I just said, yeah, or I think I said, at least, hope you enjoyed. So, there's not more. Oh yeah, you remember a couple of weeks ago I said I was going on a vacation. I'm home for that right now. And I bought this book that with blank pages in that you see right now because it looks awesome on the front page. So yeah. Yeah. It was a really great vacation. I had really fun. And the mosquitoes were about to eat me up in my sleep. I got stung by a lot of mosquitoes. It was crazy. You could just see it on my leg. It was everywhere. But yeah, I still enjoyed. And I'm glad to be back. It was a little funny because we did get internet connection there. But I decided that I still didn't want to use it. But my mom couldn't stop being on social media. Kind of funny because normally it's the teenagers in the families who can't get off the internet and the social media. Sorry, I got a little rampy there at the end. I got a little quiet too throughout the whole video. Well, what I didn't say at the end, or I did, but I lost a little bit of the recording. But yeah, of course, what I wanted to say was bye.